Meet Gordix, a portable CNC without rails. It fits your space. Snap on the router. Full sheet scale. Build something really big. Cut metal with precision. Premium fire pit. Crafted by you. Have fun with everyone. Take it anywhere. Plug and play. Intricate milling. On any surface. From workshop to outdoor. Design without limits. Quick change laser module. Engrave a custom name. Make it personal. Swap to pen plotting. Beyond cutting into art. Laser cut leather. CNC milling on acrylic. Ready for batch production. Turn your craft into a business. It's more than a tool. Build lasting memories and meaningful connections. Where technology meets lifestyle. Gordix, create your world.